On day 2 of this year's Alaska Federation of Natives Convention, members of Alaska's congressional delegation are speaking about some of the efforts made at the federal level to empower Native communities and the work that needs to be done. Steve Kirch was there for Senator Dan Sullivan's roughly 30-minute speech today.
In a speech that focused largely on Alaska Native children outcomes, subsistence, and Russia, Senator Sullivan rounded out his speech by addressing the Alaska Native veterans in the audience. He says a new bill has been introduced to extend the program for 5 years and to expand the available land, particularly in the southeast, to assist Vietnam veterans in obtaining land near their homes. Additionally, Sullivan says a Senate resolution that he sponsored passed unanimously, commending all Vietnam veterans for their courage and sacrifice and apologizing for the treatment they received upon returning home.
Well, we had to run into the bathrooms. Several of us ran to the bathrooms to get away from all the garbage that they were throwing at us and get out of our greens. We had our military greens on and changed our clothing to whatever we had that was civilian, which is very little.
It offers a long overdue apology, and it calls for increased education in our schools for our children to learn about and understand and respect the courage and sacrifice of these heroes.
Senator Sullivan also voiced his support for a report submitted to Congress and President Joe Biden by the Commission on Native Children for improved outcomes for Native children education, physical and mental health, and child welfare. Steve Kirch, Alaska's News Source.